We are going to show you how we use the Microsoft Access to create a database for our website How-To. How-To is a website that provides video tutorials to help people with the basic life tasks. And the website has several points you are going to listen about when we are showing what we did with the Access. In How-To, users can make donations to the website, make suggestions of new videos, buy a book, and they also can choose the categories, subcategories, and themes of the videos they want to watch. So, first we had to create the tables that will contain the information we mentioned before. Let's see the book sales table. Here we have information like order ID, user ID, order quantity, and payment type. To insert these parameters, we had to go to the structure view, and then we insert the parameters we want, and we select the type of the data for each parameter. We have these several tables you can see. The book sales, the donations, suggestions, users, video category, the video subcategory, and the last one, the videos only. So after this, we had to establish the relationships between the tables. As you can see, this is where the information created in the class diagram is set in order to relate the tables with each other. Then we have the forms that are used to insert the information that will appear on the tables. Let's see, for example, the videos form. Let's pretend we want to add to our video database a new video called How to Cook a Turkey. We select the category Nutrition, which is our 6th category. Then we select the subcategory, which is Recipes. Then we insert the upload date of the video. And to finish, we insert the video in How to Cook a Turkey. So we send the information, and this information goes directly to the video table. Let's see this. As you can see, How to Cook a Turkey is right here. Let's check all the other forms. You can see we have the donations forms. We can select the donations value, donations dates, payment type. Then we have the suggestions forms, user ID, username suggestion is the fields to fill, then the users forms, and to finish the videos forms. For last, we have the queries, which is, in our case, a way to easily find the information we want. For example, let's pretend we want to see the donations that were made with PayPal. Insert the payment type. So here it is, the PayPal payments, all that we made. And that's it. Thank you for watching.